lately I have been trying to slow down a little bit, not in a dramatic way, but in a life-changing way. जैसे कि बहुत छोटी-छोटी चीज़ें, it could be eating slower, or cooking more at home, or maybe keeping my phone away while talking to someone. So ये बहुत बड़ी चीज़ें नहीं है, but I started thinking that these things are more important than the bigger ones. So today I thought I'd take you through a calm little what I eat in a day. Nothing perfect, nothing super healthy, just comforting food, little routines, and a normal day in my life. I think for a long time I treated rest like something I had to earn, like every second needed to be productive or useful or shared. But lately I'm learning that a quiet morning can be enough. A simple meal can be enough. Sitting with my own thoughts for a few minutes can be enough. There is something comforting about doing ordinary things with more attention. The sound of vegetables sizzling in a pan, sunlight coming through the kitchen window, tea getting cold because I got distracted staring outside for a minute. None of it looks impressive from the outside, but somehow it makes life feel fuller. I'm still figuring it out. Still rushing sometimes. Still reaching for my phone without thinking. But I'm starting to understand why people talk about slowing down like it's a form of healing. Maybe peace doesn't always arrive as a big breakthrough. Maybe sometimes it quietly grows inside small daily rituals we almost overlook. I came here for a quick walk and I need to prepare lunch. It's work from home today and मैं सोच रही हूँ कि I need to have a nice meal today जिससे मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगे and अच्छा feel हो. This is something I wanted to plan for so long. Every day I plan to walk for few minutes and then with my work-life balance it doesn't work out. It never works out. I never go out of my house if I'm working from home and not even for 5 minutes, you know. So abhi I'm just thinking कि let me just go out and at least walk for 10 minutes. So I'm starting slowly. When I work from office, lunch usually becomes whatever I can put together quickly. Between the commute, the rush and trying to survive the day, cooking the meals I actually crave almost never happens. So most weekdays, I just keep saving recipes instead of making them. Those comforting cooking shots you randomly come across at 1 a.m. and think, हाँ यार ये तो मैं पक्का बनाऊंगी. Today working from home finally gave me that little bit of space. I'm making mango rasam with rice. Warm, tangy, slightly spicy, the kind of food that feels comforting even before the first bite. Simple ghar ka khana, the food that quietly fixes your mood a little. And honestly, it feels nice to cook slowly for once. So today's lunch is simple. Rice in the cooker, rasam on the stove, one saved recipe finally getting made. Nothing fancy, बस दिल को अच्छा लग रहा है. Was having my coffee and then I spilled some coffee, not tea, because we don't spill, we just talk. Bad joke, but yes, I'm here for a coffee break. Obviously lunch was so yum and I had it so much. As usual मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा खा लिया. कॉफ़ी भी मैंने ऐसी बनाई कि बिल्कुल पानी पानी हो रहा है. ये मुझे बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. I'm on a break right now for like couple of minutes and then I'm gonna go start working. I don't know if I'll get some time to prepare my dinner. तो यहाँ मैं दिन का ही बचा हुआ खाने वाली हूँ, जो कि I am sure most of the IT
गर्लीज कैन रिलेट, जो भी हम दिन में बनाते हैं वो हम शाम को भी खा लेते हैं और थोड़ा सा ऐड ऑन कर लेते हैं, प्लस एंड माइनस. सो यूजुअली मैं भी वैसे ही करती हूँ. विल ट्राई, लेट्स सी व्हाट हाउ दिस गोज़.
Dinner is the only time I actually slow down these days. ऑफिस के बाद दिमाग इतना टायर्ड होता है कि प्रॉपरली सोचने का भी मन नहीं करता. पूरा दिन बस काम में निकल जाता है एंड सडनली इट्स नाइट. एंड ऑनेस्टली मेरे पास हर रोज प्रॉपर मील बनाने की एनर्जी भी नहीं होती है. सो टुनाइट आई मेड दीज कोरियन नूडल्स आई रियली लाइक. द वंस आई अवॉइड बाइंग बिकॉज वंस दे आर एट होम बस रोज वही खाने का मन करता है. आई नो दे आर अनहेल्दी, not even a proper dinner. But after a long day, sometimes you just want something tasty that takes 10 minutes to make, and weirdly making them felt comforting.
This day is going really well. These days I'm trying to kind of slow down and take some time, जो कि छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं और मुझे अच्छी लगती है करने के लिए. बहुत अच्छी हवा चल रही है, बैंगलोर का वेदर बहुत ही अच्छा है. Somehow मैं वेदर अपडेट दे रही हूँ, but anyway I'm gonna end this vlog now. I hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.